huge 1911 fan right here, James J. Reeves. I'm over at Colt. That's actually not true. I actually hate him, Jessica. But I no. But it is what it is. There are a lot of people that love 1911s, and there are a lot of people that love Colt 1911s. One of my main criticisms with 1911s is the fact that it's like they're old-fashioned, right? I want to be able to have greater capacity. I like 9mm. I like striker-fired handguns. I like to be able to mount optics. And with 1911s, you don't get to do that often. But that's changed here at SHOT Show 2025.
There are very few brands that have optics-ready 1911s because they are more traditional. And there are some custom 1911s out there that have it as well. But what we have this year is a Colt 1911 that is optics-ready. We know we're a little late to the game, but we're doing what we can, and we really want to get out there with our optics-ready platform and talk about the features and benefits of it as well. So we started and took our 1911 competition model, which is one of our top sellers, because unlike what you said, the customer can customize it. It's at a great price point for them, and it's a Colt 1911, and now it's optics-ready. So we designed a plate system, and our plates are stainless steel with a nitride finish. So you have corrosion protection, it's rough, it's ready to go, and it's 70 series and 80 series compatible, which is very unique to Colt in a sense. And I'd love to share that footprint with gunsmiths and make sure that they can get out there and customize their Colts as well as get it from the factory, like with this footprint. And so you'll see these slides out there, you'll see these platforms out there. It's got a Glock dovetail with a rear cut that is ready for 1/3 co-witness, and we will have 3 plates ready to go aftermarket: an RMR plate, a Delta Point Pro plate, and an RMSC that's also compatible with a Holosun 507K.
Holy shit. That was a whole lot. That was very well done. That was very well. This is my first time interviewing you, Jessica, and I have to say you did quite well, even though I think you just gave about half the people watching this video a heart attack when you said Glock and 1911 pretty much in the same sentence. Talk to me about how this is going to be available. And what I mean by that is, am I buying a whole new pistol? Am I buying a slide? How are you guys going to market this?
So right now it is just a pistol. I know. But I'll certainly look at getting some slides out there and also sharing that footprint so gunsmiths can do it safely. Everyone is customizing and adding plates already as they can, but this comes from the factory and we really stand behind that. We've tested it. We're very thorough in our testing. But right now it's going to be the pistol only, and then we'll sell the plates. I'm sure everyone's already asking, you're the first one, but trust me, internally, we're also talking about having slides available and also expanding models going forward and making sure that we're bringing these guns into that, 2025, 21st century of having optics plates.
Right, sure. You mentioned that you're starting with the competition model. As of right now, it will only be available in the competition model? As of right now?
As of right now, yes.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's a step in the right direction. I mean, that's not. I'm not in the least being critical. It's like, oh, it's only available for the. It's cool to see you guys, and we're going to talk about it in a separate video. But I mean, hell, we've got red dots here on the Python. Something I thought I would see personally. So I think this is really neat. I'm really glad to see you guys moving in this direction. How much are these going to cost, and when are they available?
So the pistol itself is going to be $13.99 with the cover plate installed. And then the plates themselves will be $99 retail.
Okay. And are they available now, or it's going to be Q1, or?
Probably end of Q1, start of Q2, but certainly early on in Q2 if it is.
Jessica, thank you so much for answering all my questions. I just came in here and ambushed you, and you passed with flying colors. Excellent interview. I don't even think we're going to have to edit this son of a bitch. Guys, thank you so much for watching TFBTV. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2025.